karanjetlilive.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox these. So guys, these are my Bose soundsport free wireless earbuds. Okay, earbuds you call it, or you can call it as earphones or earplugs or whatever nice name you can call them. So guys, these are soundsport free by Bose. Okay, so guys, while I'm opening this box, I would like to tell you I paid about 65 Omani reals for it. Okay, so that is equivalent to 170 US dollars. Okay, so I was checking it on the Bose website, so they are about 150 USD. Okay, so but this is the price we get in I got in the local market. Okay, so guys, I ordered it from a website on from a local website called as Roman. So guys, here it is. So let us take them out of box. Okay, so on this box you can see the Bose marking. Oh, I like the way things are packed. Okay, so here they are. Okay, so guys, they come with this very high quality charging case. So let us, okay, and my charging case color is navy blue. Let me open it. Aha, and here they are. So guys, this is Bose soundsport free earbuds. So my earbuds, the color is also like navy blue, and they are not that small if you see. So like there are some other companies whose earbuds are much smaller, and the moment I took them out of the box, you see the Bluetooth indicator, it started blinking. Okay, so here are the charging pins or the connector pins. And guys, my reason for buying this product was it comes with this hooks type silicone hooks, so they fit very nicely in your ear. Okay, so I'll keep it here. And it is, these buds are magnetic. See, you just keep it and they just stick to the right place. So let us see what else is there in the box. This seems to be the user manual. Yes, and then some silica gel. So then you have different types of bud tips, so for the different types of ears. And then we have the charging cable. So it comes with this USB to micro USB charging cable. Okay, so I think this goes into your charger, and here you can see there is a place for charging your earbuds. So guys, that's pretty much in this. Okay, soon I'll be uploading a detailed review of these. So guys, if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be uploading more and more unboxing videos, technical reviews. And guys, all of you, thanks for watching and stay tuned.